This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Elevate Property video is presented by Jorge Najera. Remodeled multi-occupancy home located in the quiet and private community of Oasis Ranch. Freshly fully repainted interior, refurbished kitchen cabinets, all new granite countertops, backsplash and complete new roof. The unit is 2-bedroom but has the potential for 3 bedrooms. This property is the perfect place for a first-time home buyer, downsizing or single person looking for a comfortable and spacious place. It will provide amazing value which beats paying any amount of rent. For more information, review the details below or contact Jorge Najera at 915-263-0057.